I am Jason Promes with Promes Construction, and we specialize in building decks. The biggest challenges with framing a deck with just regular pressure-treated joists is they will shrink. No matter what you do, you're going to have issues with it not being flat. Where TrueFrame, you can just throw them up and you know it's a finished product that's flat and it's done. And it's kiln dried, so it's not going to shrink. And that's what we want on these higher end decks. I would say going with TrueFrame saved us at least a couple days, so we don't have to rip any joists down, plane them down. It's night and day difference. There's alternative products that are great, but the cost is so expensive that people can't afford it. This is a more budget-friendly option that gives you a really nice finished product, almost identical finished product. I will absolutely use TrueFrame in the future after this experience with this deck. It's a no-brainer.